Debate number 2 in 2 minutes, and here's the story we are debating tonight. It seems to be on the one side a leak charge versus on the other side a hacking charge in the state of Gujarat. After controversial police officer seen to be anti-Narendra Modi, Sanjeev Bhatt said there is a mole in the SIT, giving details to the Gujarat Additional Advocate General. Today an FIR was filed against the police officer himself with the charge that he has hacked illegally into the Gujarat government's emails. An aggressive Narendra Modi government hitting back, trying to crush the opposition from a man who's fast emerging as the BJP's nemesis.
He's Gujarat's rebel cop who's taken the chief minister head-on. Sanjeev Bhatt again targeting Modi government, alleging that the SIT report was leaked to help those accused in the Gujarat riots.
This is the affidavit filed by Sanjeev Bhatt before the Supreme Court, in which he alleges that crucial information about SIT's work was leaked through Additional Advocate General Tushar Mehta. In this affidavit, he claims that emails were forwarded to RSS man S. Gurumurthy, who was then asked to prepare a solid defense of the Modi government.
Modi government reacting aggressively, filing an FIR, countering Bhatt with charges of hacking.
This is one more nail in the coffin as far as we are concerned. This is obviously shocking. This is obviously tells you one more part of the story. But we are not surprised of this kind of brazen nexus between the constitutionally elected position of the chief minister, an unconstitutional body like the RSS, and the accused.
Also named in the affidavit, leading advocate Mahesh Jethmalani, one of Modi's legal advisors, acknowledging his links to the RSS top ideologue.
This I know, it has come in public domain as to how Sanjeev Bhatt was so closely interacting with the president of the Gujarat Pradesh Congress Committee, including gift of certain mobile phones, that what the email has shown.
Is there a mole in the SIT? If yes, the centre is confident of tracking down the bug trying to scuttle the investigations into the riots of 2002.
The very idea of a mole is that nobody knows that he's there. If somebody feels that there's a mole there, then they can always catch the mole.
He's turning out to be Modi's nemesis, but the Gujarat Chief Minister is not willing to back down, battling Bhatt even as the focus is back on Gujarat government in this high-profile case. With Abhishek in Ahmedabad, Niranjan for Times Now.